If you have just had your Seat Ibiza 2026 serviced or maintenance done, oil and filter changed, the next important step is to reset the service light indicator. 1. First, turn on the ignition. Do not start the engine. You only use these two buttons and this OK button. 2. Use the OK button from the right side of the steering wheel to enter the main menu and stop at Settings. Three. Select Settings by pressing the button with the two display symbols, once for the arrows to appear and once again to enter the service menu. 4. Select Service Menu with the OK button. In this menu you will find Service, Reset Oil Service, and Reset Inspection. Under Service you will find information about the oil change and the inspection service. Five. Then select Reset Oil Service, and when asked Reset Oil Change Service, you will need to press the OK button again. After the reset, you will receive the message Service Interval Reset. If you have this type of screen, you have to press on one of those two buttons, then scroll down to Settings using the OK button. Then press on the display symbol button to enter to Other menu. Here you have to select Service Menu. And here you have to select Reset Oil Service and press OK button once to select and then press again to confirm. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.